Hi friends, I'm Elvis, your Flipkart Tech Pro, and today I'm going to tell you about the Poco M5 smartphone. This phone is a seamless combination of an amazing design and performance. It is truly designed to blow your mind with its brilliant features. This smartphone comes with an incredible leather-like texture that grabs everyone's attention. It comes in three colors, which are yellow, icy blue and power black. Let's see what all it has to offer. The leather-like texture on the phone gives one holding the phone a sense of awe and a wanting to hold the phone for a long while. The unibody flat-edge design combined with the leather texture offers a comfortable grip as well as stain and smudge resistance. The Poco M5 is powered by the 6nm MediaTek Helio G99 processor. A 6nm process on a powerful chipset is a deadly combo that delivers surreal power to this phone. Efficiency and sustained levels of unwavering performance are a guarantee that this SoC brings to the table. The Poco M5 has a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus smart display that is coupled with a 90Hz refresh rate that makes any user activity, be it scrolling through feeds, content streaming, or gaming, seamless and optimized. Equipped with the Corning Gorilla Glass 3, this phone doesn't compromise on the safety front. The phone comes with the rear AI triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel Ultra HD main camera that gives you crystal clear shots, further supported with a 2-megapixel depth camera and a 2-megapixel macro that helps you capture the minutest of details. On the front, it has an 8-megapixel camera made for those ultra-cool selfies. The 240Hz touch sampling rate is an addition on the display front, giving the user a hassle-free experience in terms of reduced reaction time of the phone and that extra nudge that ensures victory during a gaming session. What's more, here's a tip for the next smartphone purchase on Flipkart. Make sure that you check out Flipkart offerings like product exchange to make your purchase more affordable. Also, check out Flipkart's various mobile protection plans to secure your phone from any physical or software damages.